Today we are going to learn South's famous snack, which is Medu Vada, which will taste absolutely delicious if you guys will make it right. I will also show you if your batter is perfect. So let's start with our batter. 1 cup of black gram, 2 to 3 dry chilies, 1 to 2 green chilies, half onion into cubes, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 2 inch of grated ginger, half a cup of coriander, half a cup of fresh coriander, a piece of jaggery, 1 big onion sliced, 3 to 4 plums of tamarind, half teaspoon of red chili powder, teaspoon of sambar masala, 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of hing, salt to taste, 10 to 12 pieces of brinjal, 1 potato which is optional, 1 carrot, few pieces of pumpkin, 8 to 10 pieces of drumsticks. So I have soaked this for half an hour. As you can see, they have turned out pretty well. Now we are going to boil them. Now we'll add little bit of turmeric into this to taste. Add up to 1 or 2 cups of water. There is no such specific measurement, and let's cook it nicely. 3 cups of slit green gram, 2 inch of grated ginger, small chopped onion, 6 to 8 curry leaves, fresh coriander, grated coconut, 2 to 3 green chilies, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, teaspoon of hing, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, salt to taste. To make this batter, we need to soak slit green gram for at least 6 hours, or you can soak it overnight. Now drain out all the water. Add this into the grinder and let's grind it. Don't forget to give it a mix. Now we have blended our mixture. Now we'll add all the ingredients required. Add ginger, green chilies, coconut, coriander leaves, curry leaves, onions, which is completely optional, cumin seeds, rice flour, salt to taste, half teaspoon of hing. Give it a mix with your hand. Add water if required. After beating the mixture with your hand, now let's see how we will know if our batter is perfect. Take a bowl of water and just make a ball of the mixture and dip it into the water. As you can see, the batter is fully pretty much immersed into the water. So now that's how you know that your batter is perfect. Fry and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds and fry them until they crackle. Once the seeds are crackled, add fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 red dry chilies, curry leaves, will give an amazing flavor to your sambar. Green chilies. Add onion. And fry them until they are moist. Add tomatoes. Add red chili powder, sambar masala, now we'll add all our veggies. चालू है. Mix it well so that the veggies will get coated with the masala. Add half cup of water and give it a mix. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a low medium flame. Add salt to taste. Add onions and coriander. At the same stage, add tamarind, jaggery. Meanwhile, we mix the boiled dal. Use a wooden bricks. This is a perfect texture for authentic sambar. As you can see, our veggies are all well cooked. Now let's add the mixed dal. Add some water. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for some time. As you can see, the sambar is well boiled and it is ready to serve. Slide the vada carefully as water and oil don't go good together. Them until they turn golden brown. Fry on medium flame until they turn out to become golden brown and you get the fluffy and soft texture inside and a crispy texture outside. As you can see, the vadas have come out pretty much cool. So let's serve it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to ADR Culture. Comment down below which video you want to see next and press the bell button so that you get notified after every new video we post. Thank you so much for watching this video. Show as much love as you can. Love you guys. Peace out.